So hey guys, today we're going to be fixing the Mini-RZR's engine. It was making a weird sound the other day, so we're going to try to fix it. Hey guys, we just noticed that the coil pickup is touching the flywheel right here in this one spot by the magnet. So what we're going to do to fix it is we're just going to simply move the coil pickup back a little bit. So we used the bearing puller to get the flywheel off, and as we took the flywheel off, we noticed inside we saw this little piece of metal that was supposed to hold these wires in. So we're gonna put a new metal plate on there, and move a new metal plate on there, and we're back in business. Hey guys. So we figured out that there used to be a nickel plate here. We put a new one on because the old one broke. Here's the pieces of the old one. It got ground up, and then so we sanded it and everything. Now it should fit because the metal plate used to make sure the wire didn't get cut. So we placed a new one on. So now we're just gonna put it all back together and we'll drive it. You need to check the oil is a nice clean cloth. Then what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the oil cap. Then next you're going to clean off the dipstick. Then you're going to put it back in. Then you're going to take it out again. And then we'll look. The oil level is right there. So we're good to go. Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.